Welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech. Today we have another unboxing, and it's this. It's a microphone. It's a USB gaming microphone from a company called TONOR. It costs just under £20, so it's very expensive. And the reason I bought this is because I've been asked by one of my relations if I can order this one because they wanted a desktop microphone, and they didn't have a big budget, and they wanted it for the whole family to use. So it had to be for gaming and just chit chat, and this is the one they chose. I said, if you buy it, you can do your unboxing, do your review, and then we'll give you the money once you've done that. I thought, yeah, okay then. So I went and ordered it on Amazon like you do. Like I say, just under £20. I thought it doesn't look too bad. Looks quite nice actually. Got LED lighting on it. It comes with a jack connection for your headphones, and also a USB. So you can plug in like your mouse into it, or your keyboard, or your memory card. It won't charge up phones or anything like that through the USB, but I thought that was a good added feature when I was reading about it. So I'll tell you what the features are on the back, because it tells you on here, or most of them anyway. It says unique patent gaming style design, professional and classic appearance, higher sensitive condenser microphone, long sound pickup distance, low noise, rotatable microphone stand, adjust height and angle freely, microphone base with LED lighting design, LED colour optional, multifunctional control button switch, LED light control, mute on off volume control, high quality 1.5 meters shielded braided cable, and it comes in 3 different colours. So you've got red, blue and green, which I thought was really nice. So I'll quickly show you around the box because I know how much I like it. And there's all the features and then specifications at the bottom, which I'm not going to read out to you. So my first impressions, I thought, it actually looks quite nice. Nice design, and I thought, yeah, got a pop filter with it, so if you need a pop filter, and if you don't know what pop filter is, it's when you pronounce your P's and your B's, and also stops you spitting onto the microphone itself, which isn't very nice. So with that, shall we do the unboxing? So what do we have? Start with, we have the instructions. It says QuickTime player on the front. So G33 USB microphone, as it says on there. And obviously these are the instructions for installing it. Tips, the product contains built-in drivers, cool. So you can just connect it straight to your USB, which is what we're going to do. Can you see that okay? Oh, without opening it up fully. So, also, it's not just for Windows, it's for Mac as well. I thought I'd better mention that just in case I hadn't earlier, which I didn't. So yeah, so instructions look pretty clear to read. I haven't read them properly yet, so obviously. So this is it, nicely packed in there. So here's your pop filter. Oh, that's a little clip for the packaging. So that's your pop filter. It's a bit squashed at the moment, so you just unsquash it. And basically it stops when you, I said earlier about your P's and your B's. So when you pronounce your P's, it's all like a popping sound. So that's designed to reduce that sound and also stop you spitting on the mic. So I thought I'd better explain that to you a bit more. So let's have a look. So we've got 1.5 meters of beading. Yeah. USB. So it's just standard USB. So I don't even know if that's 1 or 2. So, long enough, should do the job. Nice standard USB. There's the mic in there. Looks fairly unusual shape, isn't it? Looks, I'm going to say looks fairly clean in, but it's an unusual shape. But yeah, it looks good. Looks alright. A bit like a spaceship typey thingy. So that's your adjustment for your mic, I would have thought. On the back, you've got your headphone socket. So you can actually listen to your recording as you're doing it, which is a good thing. Yeah, and you can fine tune it to get it just right. And there's your USB. It won't do it won't charge your phones up, or that's what it says in the instructions. But you can plug in the keyboard or mouse, whatever, and it should power it up, give it enough power. So yeah, so you can't turn it left and right, but you can move it up and down. I mean, at the end of the day, all we've got to do is do that anyway, so shouldn't be a problem. So what we do now, after finishing looking at it, it's got a nice bass to it, by the way, so nice smooth bass, sort of rubbery padding sort of stuff, so shouldn't be too bad. I think it would probably pick up a bit of a knocking when you're on the keyboard and mouse. But yeah, looking around, I think it looks quite nice. It's got a clicker on it, so I imagine that's for your mute and your unmute. And let me have a quick read. Right, I've had a quick read, and basically, yeah, that is the mute button. So you press it once, mute, unmute, and to turn the LED on and off, you hold it down for 3 seconds. Turns the LED lighting on or off, and that will be in them bits there. So what I'll do now is I'll plug it into the PC. I'll test it for the sound and show you the lighting as well. Hello, so we're just testing the G33 mic, see what it sounds like and if my voice is pretty good. I'm also going to touch a few keys on my keyboard, see if you can hear them, and on my mouse. Don't think you can hear my mouse, but I think you can hear my keyboard. And that's about it for the mic test. Oh, I'm going to test the mute button as well, so I'm going to talk one and then hopefully it went off, which I think it did, but I think on my recording it probably picked up the click as well. So that's it for this quick test. Right, so I've had a little play about with it, and I think it sounds really nice actually. It comes out nice and clear. Obviously if you adjust it too high you're going to pick up a lot more background noise, so you just got to get it just about right where you want it and leave it alone. But I also want to show you how to do the lighting to turn it on and off. I thought that looked pretty good. So, got to unplug my headset because I had that plugged in as well, so I can listen to the mic as I'm practicing and adjusting it to get the right level, which I think I've done. I was quite pleased with the sound anyway. Hope you was. So yeah, basically you hold that in, goes off, comes on. Do I think it's worth the money for something that's, you know, just under £20? I think it's excellent. I think it's another really good product. The G33 desktop USB gaming microphone. Yeah, it gets another thumbs up from me. And I'm not just saying it. I really do think for something so cheap, it's pretty good quality. It's not to everyone's taste, the design, but it works. All I've done was plugged it in and loaded up my voice recorder to do a recording, but also adjusted the control panel for recording in Windows so that I could listen to the headset first. So that was pretty good, because obviously you need to get the balance just right, and yeah, I think it's pretty good. So if you want a desktop microphone, I can only recommend it. If you want, you know, if you don't want to pay a lot of money, and it, like I said, it comes in 3 colours. Red, blue and green, like it shows you there, and I've got the blue one, as you can see. So obviously you'll get red, blue or green lighting, which it is. I mean, if it's multicoloured, it'd be even better. So perhaps I'll bring that out in the future, where you can just change the RGB lighting like normal, but then it's going to cost you more money. So yeah, I think my relation was going to be very happy with this little microphone. So yeah, gets my thumbs up. And if you have any comments, please post them below. And if you like my video, give me the thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me the thumbs down. And thank you for watching. Oh, and please subscribe. Ta-da!